Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, students? I hope you are all well. Dear students, in previous lesson we have already learned different types of letters and their shapes and pronunciation. All is very well and very good with the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah. So now first we repeat the previous lesson quickly and then go to the next and new lesson. Here is the page, the previous lesson. We start with the name of Allah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم, and we start quickly reading Alif Lam Alif Lam Alif Ba Alif Lam Alif Lam Lam Alif Lam Ha Lam Alif Ba Lam Ba. Next is Kaf 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 Ba Kaf Ba Kaf Alif Kaf Alif Ba Kaf Ta Ta Kaf Sa Ba Ta Sa Nun Ya Ba Alif Nun Alif Ta Alif Ya Alif Sa Alif Ba Sin Yasin Nun Sin Ta Sin Sa Sin Sa Jim Ta Ha. So dear student, this is your previous day lesson. Now we start the new lesson with the name of Allah. So with ta'awuz and tasmiyah, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So this one, the first letter of the new lesson, this one is Noon Kha. Noon Kha, the heavy Kha. Okay, we read the Kha heavy. Noon Kha. The red one is Noon and written in half shape. The sign of Noon is one dot at the top of the letters, and Kha is also one dot at the top of the letter. So the letter is Noon Kha, two letters. Okay. Next one is Ya Ha. Ya Ha. Ya Ha. The sign of Ya, the red one is Ya, and the dot is also in red color. So two dot at the bottom of the letter. This is the sign of Ya. So this is the upper letter is Ya, and the next one is Ha. The light, the sign of the light Ha is no dot, is empty. So the word is Ya Ha, two letters joined together. Next is Ba Jim Ba Jim Ba Jim. The sign of Ba is one dot at the bottom of the letter. So here you see the Ba is in red color, and also the first dot is in red color. So this is the one dot at the bottom of the letter is Ba. This is the sign of Ba, and one dot at the middle of the letter is the sign of Jim. So two letters are joined together. Ba Jim. Next one is Ya Mim Ya Mim Ya Mim. It's simple. Two dot at the bottom of the letter. This is the sign of Ya. You see the first one is Ya is written in half shape in red color, and the dot is also in red color. It's mean the dot is for Ya. The dot is for Ya. So two dot at the bottom of the letter, this is ya, and then the black color is meme. Ya meme, two letters joined together. Next one is ba meme, ba meme, ba meme. The first one ba is written in half shape. The letter is in red color, and also the dot is in red color. This is the sign of ba, and then the black color is meme. Two letters joined together. We read it ba meme. Next one letter is noon meme. Noon meme. Noon meme. Noon. The one dot at the top of the letter. This is the sign of noon. This is the sign of noon. One dot at the top of the letter, and the black color is meme. Noon meme. Next one is tamim. 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 Two dot at the top of the letter. The ta is written in half shape in red color. Also the dot is in red color. So this is ta. We read the sign of ta is dead. Two dot at the top of the letter. This is ta, and then the black color is meme. So we read it tamim. Tamim. Next one is samim. 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 Three dots at the top of the letter. This is the sign of sa. Three dots at the top of the letter. We read it in the previous pages. This is the sign of sa. And then the first letter, the sa is written in half shape. The letter color is red, and also the dot color is red. So this is sa, and the black color is meme. We read it sa meme. Next one is baya. 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 You see the first one sign is ba. Why? So the red color, the first one letter is written in half shape in red color, and the dot is also in red color. So we read it ba, and then the another is in black color. So we read it two letter joined together. We read it baya. Baya. Next letter is this one is ya. 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 Two dot at the bottom of the letter. The letters is written in half shape. The letter color is red, and also the two dot is in red color. We read the sign of ya is dead. Two dot at the bottom of the letter. So we read it ya, and another is also read ya in full shape. Okay, so we read it ya. Ya. And now to the next one. This is noon ya. Noon ya. Noon ya. This is the first one is letter is noon written in half shape. We read the sign of noon is dead. One dot at the top of the letter. The letter is written in half shape in red color, and also the dot is in red color. So the dot is for noon. So we read it noon, and then the ya is written in full shape and in black color. So two letters are joined together. We read it noon ya. Next one is this one is ta ya. Ta ya. Ta ya. Two dot at the top of the letter. We read the sign of ta is dead. Two dot at the top of the letter. So we read this letter ta ya, and ya is written in full shape. Next one is sa ya. This is sa. Three dot at the top of the letter. This one is sa. This is the sign of sa, and then ya is written in full shape. Ya. Sa ya. Sa. The next one is Noon Ba Lam. Noon Ba Lam. Noon Ba Lam. First one is Noon, one dot at the top of the letter, this sign of Noon, and then Ba, one dot at the bottom of the letter, and Lam is in full shape. Noon Ba Lam. And this one is Ta Noon Lam. Ta Noon Lam. The sign of Ta is two dot at the top of the letter, and then Noon, one dot at the top of the letter, written in half shape. Then Lam is in full shape. We read it Ta Noon Lam. So dear student, this is our today lesson. Inshallah, the next lesson we read with another video. So inshallah, see you with another video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakallah khair. Allah Hafiz.